Okay guys, picked up the Motorola Razr 2025. Not the Plus or the Ultra, just the base version. They put it on sale, took off $100, and I'm like, well, where am I going to get one for $600? So I figured, let me pick this up while I have the chance. And you guys probably remember I had the original Motorola Razr Ultra 2023, and after I think it was like 9 months, my screen failed on me, and I got kind of gun shy about them. But I figured, all right, let's give it another try, and we'll see how this goes. So just want to do a quick unboxing, show it to you guys.
All right, let's do it.
So let's see what we get in the box. There's the phone itself. Put that aside. What else we get here? The power cord. The usual paperwork. Somewhere, I guess this is SIM tool. Okay, there's our SIM tool. It says, do not remove the pre-installed screen protector as it will damage the display. Because in the past we've seen even experts like MKBHD do that. And it's like most of the rest of us, we learn the hard way. We all probably generally learn the hard way. So, I picked that green color simply because I had never had it before, but boy is it bright, it does stand out. And of course I'm going to have a case for it so we don't have to worry about it standing out really. I'll show you how it compares to my Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE. You can see size-wise, I think you can see. The motor was just a tiny bit taller. They're about the same width. The motor's tiny bit wider also. But just wanted to give you that comparison there. So of course we've got our volume up and down. Got our power key. Over here we've got our SIM tray, and of course there's our cameras. Of course, when you open up, those are our rear cameras. And of course, there's our front camera right there. And of course, we've got an antenna, and on the bottom antenna, speaker, and power in. So let's see if we've got any power with this thing. Alright, I'm going to get this thing booted up, and I'll put my information in and get back to you guys. So they really want to make sure you don't remove that screen protector. Here's another warning about not removing it. Okay guys, we're still copying, of course. I haven't put the SIM in as yet. But once again, a reminder, do not remove your screen protector. So there's the outer screen. I don't have to do all that setting up stuff like with the Samsung and Good Lock, so I like that. So that's going to be it for now guys. Just wanted to show you guys that I got the phone and that it's all set up.
Yeah.